Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. If you're a web developer in search of a dependable and robust web hosting solution, you've landed in the right spot. Today, we're taking a closer look at WebHostMost, a hosting service that's designed with developers in mind. Stick around as we uncover what makes WebHostMost a potential game changer for your hosting needs. First things first, let's check out WebHostMost's website. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's dive in. To get started, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. If you already have an account, simply log in by entering your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, scroll down and click on Create a new account to sign up. Fill in your details to create an account. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your personal details, billing address, and account security settings. Be sure to review and enter all required fields accurately to avoid any issues later on. Before you click Register or Create Account, make sure to check the box confirming that you have read and agree to the terms of service. This step is crucial to complete your registration process and ensure you're all set to start using WebHostMost services. Once your registration is complete, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Here, you'll see a notification to check your email for a verification link from WebHostMost. Simply open your email, find the verification message, and click on the link to activate your account. Now that your account is active, log into your dashboard. This is your main control center for managing your web hosting services. From here, you can handle domains, upload and organize files, set up email accounts, and access security features. The dashboard provides a clear view of all your hosting tools. To bring your website online, you'll first need a domain name and web hosting. Fortunately, WebHostMost services offer a variety of options to suit your needs. As you can see, my domain list is currently empty, meaning I haven't registered any domains yet. If you already own a domain from another provider, you can easily transfer it here. Otherwise, let's go ahead and register a new domain. At WebHostMost, a wide range of domain extension categories is available to fit your business and personal needs. Whether you're looking for a classic.com, a trendy.tech, or something unique, WebHostMost has the options to help you find the ideal domain. Explore our selection and secure the perfect name for your online presence. For this video, there's no need to register a domain. Simply navigate to the Services section and place an order for a new service. WebHostMost offers two categories of web hosting: professional web hosting and free web hosting. The free web hosting is perfect for starting and testing your projects, while the professional web hosting offers additional features and resources for more demanding needs. Professional web hosting includes 3 plans to cater to different needs. Micro plan, ideal for small websites or personal projects, offering essential features and a budget-friendly price. Pro plan, designed for growing businesses or more demanding websites, providing enhanced performance and additional resources. Ultra plan, best suited for high-traffic websites or enterprise-level needs, delivering top-tier performance, maximum resources, and premium support. Carefully review each plan's services to select the one that best meets your needs. For this tutorial, I'll be using free web hosting for my personal site. WebHostMost offers a fantastic 125 megabytes forever free plan, ideal for hosting personal projects or experimenting with web development at no cost. This plan provides everything you need to get your site online, including essential features such as forever free SSL, ensuring your website is secure and trustworthy; free subdomain, giving you a professional web address without extra charges; perfect for beginners or anyone looking for a no-cost hosting solution. This plan covers all the basics to get your project up and running smoothly. If you're not interested in using the WebHostMost.com extension, you can easily register or purchase a domain, or transfer your existing domain from another platform. Currently, I'm focusing on using a subdomain. Enter your desired domain name here and use the extension WebHostMost.com. If the domain is available, you can proceed with the configuration. If not, try searching for a different name. In the Configure section, you'll find details about your web hosting plan and the location of your server. Click Checkout to complete your order and finalize your purchase. Before finalizing your purchase, please review your data and payment method carefully. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, check the box to agree to the terms of service and then click Checkout to complete your order. When selecting a payment method for web hosting, it's important to choose one that's convenient and available in your country. Most web hosts offer various options, such as credit card payments, Stripe, PayPal, and cryptocurrencies. Please select the payment method that suits you best and is accessible in your location. Congratulations! Your order has been successfully placed. On this page, you will find your order confirmation and unique order number. To proceed to the next step, please click on the Continue to Client area button. Here, you can easily manage your account and set up your orders. Navigate to the Service section to view your active services and the subdomains you've created. Find details about your active free hosting plan as well as the subdomain you've registered. This is where you can manage your hosting settings, view your subdomain, and access all the tools you need to keep your website running smoothly. To view detailed information about your hosting plan, click on the Active. This will display all relevant details about your current plan, including storage, bandwidth, and other features. For a comprehensive look at your account details and hosting options, simply navigate to the Account Information section. In the Dashboard section, you'll see an overview of your account and recent activities. The Domains menu allows you to manage and configure your domains and subdomains. Use the File Manager to upload and organize your website files. The Email menu helps you set up and manage email accounts. The Databases menu is for handling SQL databases, while the Security section lets you manage SSL certificates and firewall settings. Finally, the Settings menu is where you adjust your account preferences and billing information. Each menu is designed to simplify your web hosting tasks and ensure efficient management of your site. To install WordPress, start by navigating to the Website Management menu in your WebHostMost dashboard. From there, head over to the Advanced Installer Hub. This section offers a streamlined and efficient way to install WordPress with just a few clicks. To install WordPress or any other page builder, simply navigate to the left menu where you'll find a variety of options. Next, navigate to the Blog menu here. You'll find the option WordPress. WordPress is a powerful content management system that's perfect for building and managing websites, whether you're creating a personal blog, a portfolio, or a full-fledged business site. Click on Install WordPress and follow the prompts to set up your site quickly and easily. Once you've completed all the necessary setup and are satisfied with everything, proceed to the administrative URL. This will take you directly to the admin dashboard, where you can manage and oversee all aspects of your website. The dashboard provides a comprehensive interface to control your site's content, settings, and performance, making it easy to keep everything running smoothly. To optimize your website structure and improve its SEO, it's important to adjust the Permalink settings. Start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard and selecting Settings from the menu on the left. From there, click on Permalinks. In the Permalink Settings page, you'll see several options for how your URLs are structured. For a cleaner, more SEO-friendly URL, select the Post Name option. This structure uses your post title in the URL, making it more readable and easier for search engines to index. Once you've made this change, don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes to apply the new settings. One of the great features of WebHostMost is that it provides a secure hosting environment with HTTPS, ensuring your site's data is encrypted and protected. Additionally, WebHostMost includes a free SSL certificate with their hosting plans, giving you peace of mind and enhancing your site's security. Your website is now live, and your subdomain is fully operational. This means your domain and site are searchable and accessible through search engines, allowing visitors to find and interact with your content. You have the flexibility to edit your web page directly through the edit site. Or if you prefer, you can upload your project from your local environment, localhost, to the server. This provides a seamless way to transition your site from development to live status. If you want to enhance the look and functionality of your site, You can customize the theme and make various changes to fit your needs. For detailed guidance on how to modify themes and personalize your website, be sure to check out my comprehensive WordPress playlist. It covers everything from basic theme customization to advanced tweaks, ensuring you can make your site look and function exactly how you envision. In conclusion, WebHostMost is an excellent choice for both individuals and developers. It offers free hosting with easy subdomain setup, which is ideal for personal projects or testing. For developers managing multiple clients, WebHostMost provides a range of advanced features like an intuitive control panel, robust security options, and scalability to meet growing needs. Its responsive customer support ensures you get help whenever you need it. With its blend of affordability, flexibility, and powerful tools, WebHostMost stands out as a reliable and comprehensive hosting solution. WebHostMost is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build and manage websites effortlessly. Its integration with popular page builders like WordPress and Joomla makes it easy to create and customize websites without needing extensive coding skills. These tools provide user-friendly drag-and-drop editors and a wide range of templates, allowing you to build professional-looking sites quickly. Whether you're a small business owner or a developer handling multiple clients, WebHostMost's reliable hosting combined with these powerful page builders simplifies the process and ensures your sites perform well. Overall, WebHostMost offers a robust and efficient solution for creating and managing high-quality websites with ease. And that's a wrap on our guide to hosting your website for free and setting up a subdomain with WebHostMost. I hope this video has been helpful and that you're excited to get started. A big thanks to WebHostMost for sponsoring this video and supporting our channel. Their great hosting solutions make it easy for developers and entrepreneurs to bring their projects to life. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and special thanks again to WebHostMost. See you in the next video.